We are at the A W Cruisin for a Cure car show at Mavis and Central Parkway on Thursday, August 22nd. Some kid.
Weightlifter. Extraordinaire.
Extraordinaire.
Brought to you by McDonald's.
Huh? I didn't even go in. It's probably not. It was busier earlier though.
There you go.
Nice big Merc. Just what I like. Yeah.
I feel you.
You feel me?
Oh, that's a Buick.
It is a Buick.
Did you see the car in the back of the car?
What's nice about the Buick is it actually has what it should have on there and not a Chrysler 300.
Yeah.
Oh, the little red one.
There you go.
The limousine.
Big old limo.
Oh, that's a Chrysler. No, I'm joking.
And this here, once again, it's absolutely sweet.
And that's even sweeter.
Actually, I had one of those.
That's neat, isn't it?
Oh yeah, it's awesome.